Hello everyone. The next topic in the course of basic civil engineering is classification of buildings. So buildings in India are classified under the code which is known as National Building Code. So National Building Code was prepared by Bureau of Indian Standard BIS. So the first version of the code was published in 1970 and the latest version was published in 2005. So according to the National Building Code, buildings are classified in different groups A to group J. So under the group A, it has residential buildings, in group B it has educational building, in group C institutional buildings, in group D assembly, in group E business, in group F mercantile, in group J house industrial, in group H storage, in group J hazardous. So in group A residential, where a person can accommodate live under the roof, whether that is multi-story building, whether that is duplexes, whether that is hotels, that is separate homes. Residential buildings are those which have sleeping accommodation. It may also have cooking or without cooking facilities. In case of hotels, you can sleep over there, but you cannot cook in other different type of building, whether it is a duplex or your home, you can cook or sleep both. So in group P, there are educational buildings where you educational building where the educations are provided, so that schools, colleges, universities are under this category. So our college is a type of educational building, so it is in group B. So building used for school, college, other training institutes for daycare purpose, involving assembling for education, recreation for not less than 20 students. Residential accommodation provided in school institution are classified as subdivision A clause 3. The next group is C, institutional buildings. So institutional, where there are public buildings where a person can visit, whether medical, so and any type or part which is used for purpose such as medical and other treatment or care of person suffering from physical and mental illness is taking as type of institutional building. So group D is assembly building, any building or part of building where number of person not less than 50 gathered for recreation, social, religious, patriotic, civil, travel, and similar purpose. So in this category, the theater, museum, gyms, restaurants, workshop palaces are in this assembly where person can go and meet with other peoples and come in contact, whether there is mosque, whether there is temple, church, all that. So in group E, it is business building. So any building where business happens, it is under the classification, whether there is a beauty shop, whether there is a beauty shop, a conference shop, sweets shop, any shop where you see nearby on the road, that is business buildings. Next is mercantile building. Group F. Any building or part of a building used as a shop, stores, market for display or sale mercantile, either wholesale or retail. So in this type of building, shopping mall, shopping complex, jewelry shops, all our cloth shops are under these categories. So group J is industrial building, any building or part of a building in which products or materials of all kind of and properties are fabricated, assembled, manufactured. So in this type of building, cement production, power plants, industrial laboratories, laundries, pumping stations are in these categories. So in group and storage building, any building or a part of building used for storage of any goods material is in this category. So cold storage है, freight deposit, garage, storehouse are under this categories. Group J is hazardous building used for storage, handling, manufacture or processing of high combustible explosive materials. So where chemicals are storage who are highly reactive, whether they are nuclear material and highly inflammable material, toxo in these categories, highly corrosive, toxic acids, chemical producing flames are